Hi. So yesterday I have finally managed to push the date picker element or component. So currently it doesn't work completely. So okay, you can switch between the different months, but selection is still broken. So, but I decided that because I will anyway have to refactor this component a bit later, that I don't go now into details and try to fix all of this not working parts because the component itself was never perfectly working. So why not doing that later when I actually go to the refactoring? But all the code that I was working on that was before under dat.ui only as a sub module is now living as an independent component on dat.ui date picker URL. Okay, so this is the first part. And the next thing is, if you remember, I transferred the assets from the dat.ui repository, but I figured out yesterday that we had two .ui repositories. One was under .org, and that one was already deleted, and the other one was under Play Project .ui. So there was a little bit of designs that were not present in another repo, so I had to copy over all the rest of the designs. So now all designs are here. So we have all of the views of the app, all of the brainstorming. There is also a separate folder for wireframes. Oh, yeah, and workflows. So all of this is now here, and it's under datdot-assets. But when I then went back to start to clean up this issue, this info section of the issue, I figured out when clicking on these links that we are in these to-dos using screenshots of the app, and they were linking to the old repo, so to the .ui repo, not to the .assets. So I went and also cleaned all this by updating the designs, the links. So they are now pointing to the .assets, because otherwise it was just a broken link. So I have to see, probably in some sub issues we will still have some broken links, but when I'm getting to them I will be fixing them. So now I'm continuing with cleaning up this, probably because, for example, this is part of the plan. I can just move it to the plan issue and so on, so that basically this info section gets cleaned. And then I will go and clean also this the rest of the issue itself to make it more modular and not like such a giant one blob. Okay, so that's it from me, and we see you tomorrow.